guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I really wanted to do a wash and style video that was requested to me by a few of my friends who saw my last video. I hope this will help you and that you're gonna enjoy the video, and I'm gonna try to explain what I do. It's nothing too fancy and I didn't use that many products, so I hope it's a simple, easy routine or styling guide that you can use. But yeah.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page tonight? Can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. My love language is your love and affection. Won't you give some of it to me? Yeah, I need you present instead of giving me presents. You're not getting off that easily. Oh, when we get back on the same page tonight, we can stay. And why don't you talk to me? Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Let me do what I do best. Slow down, let me talk to you. Don't tell me about your worries, I ain't staying till the afternoon. I liked you in proximity, but now they're so far from the truth. I loved you from a distance, now I can't even stay close to you. But who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Calculating all the aftermath. Now a nemesis, a menace in my mind, but protagonist in all my dreams. Concealing all my doubts, I need healing in this drought. I've been singing to the ceiling, learning how to live with doubt. I hear you calling my name, the feelings we couldn't contain, falls that we had were made.
So basically I split my hair into two parts, so these two little parts in the front, from here onwards, and what I do is that I take really thin straps like these and I start working towards the center of my hair, that is here.
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know. Would that be me if I'd stayed in my city? Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? And often we're reminded to enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present, mom will slip the adolescence. I can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll never know it. What the other book looks like. Oh, wouldn't that be nice if that was me? If I'd stayed in my city. Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? I'm not happy with my life this way, 'cause I know both ways, but I'll be thinking about the parallel days. If that was me, if I'd
You've been on my mind lately, I tell you all the time, baby, that you make me feel fine.
Anyways guys, that is the final result. Honestly, I wasn't gonna shake my hair, but then when I went outside and dried it with the wind, I kind of just shaped it up itself, and I guess it gave me such a really good volume. So I do recommend getting some natural air, but only towards the end. Otherwise, I think it's going to be a bit too messy if it's too windy. But yeah, I think the results came out great, better than I expected. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time.
This is really out here jump-starting her career like Kim K.
Go away, Hannah! Okay, move. I need to come.
You got me high.